Thanks for watching this video. My name is TJ and this is where simplicity and beauty meet. This is the Lars and Nysum electronic salt and pepper shakers, and honestly guys, this is a fan favorite. Everybody that comes over my house always has something to say. If you have people that come over for dinner, they are always going to put a smile on their face when they see these, ask questions, ask you where you bought them. You can see how this just fits in my hand so easily. I've had a couple different variations of these, but I have to say these are absolutely my favorite. On the top here we have a Type-C charging port. This is like a matte finish that's going to be really nice and smooth in the hands. Right here we have an electronic button that you're going to press and it's going to start grinding this pepper onto your preferred dish. And trust me, it is such a fun experience, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. As we look here on the back, this is an easy fill. All you got to do is pull it down, kind of like you're replacing the batteries, but this is not where the batteries go. This is actually where you put the pepper and you fill it up. So you're going to put an extra coarse pepper or salt in here. And on the bottom, you actually have options where you can change whether it's extra coarse or fine just by spinning that dial, and it'll give you exactly what you want. Another thing that I like about these electronic salt and pepper shakers is that they come in so many different colors, and they're not just like boring, regular, bright colors. These are in different shades and palettes. And if a lot of you know about style, then different shades actually symbolize like wealth and just make things look so much more expensive than they actually are. These are a really affordable price, but I love the color options and I could probably go with just about any one of these in my kitchen and I think it would look great. I have a lot of blacks and whites, so we ended up going with black, which is the perfect fit. Another really cool feature about this is it has a clear opening right here, which not only is very aesthetically pleasing, but you can also see the level to see if it's running out or not. Now we're gonna get into the demo and I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. Alrighty guys, so we got the pepper here. I'm gonna demonstrate it just because we'll be able to see the pepper a little bit better. So that's all it is. You just press the button and it'll just start grinding this. I promise you, if you have people over for dinner, they are definitely gonna comment on this and it's gonna produce a lot of laughs, a lot of conversations, and they're gonna ask you where you bought it. I just wanna show you how I store these and how aesthetically pleasing they look in my house. So I just have them here on the back of my counter against my white wall on the gray countertop, and it looks absolutely amazing. So go and check these out for yourself. Thanks for watching.